CFM 56 fan cowl opening. Before working on the engine, safety precautions have to be taken in the cockpit. On panel 115 VU, put a warning notice to tell people not to start the engines. On the overhead panel, on panel 50 VU, make sure that the ON legend from the FADEC ground power switch is off and install a warning notice. Make an entry in the logbook. For each engine fan cowl latch number 1, a key and flag must be used. They are stowed in the cockpit, either at the bottom of the rear wall or bottom coat stowage. Warning: do not attempt to open the fan cowl doors if the wind speed is higher than 96 km per hour, 60 miles per hour. The 3 fan cowl latches are released, starting from the front to the rear. Caution: only use your hands to operate the latches. The lockable latch is installed in the forward position, latch number 1. It must be opened and locked with a specific key and the remove before flight flag assembly. Install the latch key, push and rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. The key cannot be removed when the latch is open. Push the latch trigger and pull the latch handle. A deflection plate is installed on the opposite adjustable keeper to make sure that the lockable latch engages correctly with the adjustable keeper. The key stays on the open latch until fan cowl door and latch closure. Caution: do not use a key without the flag. Then, release the center latch 2 and aft latch 3. Caution: do not engage the latch handle hooks. Let them hang down. Lift and support the door by hand. Release one of the hold-open rods from the stowing bracket on the cowl door. Disengage the lock arm and move the release collar towards the permanently attached end of the rod. The word unlocked can be seen when the release collar is not in the locked position. Extend the inner part of the hold-open rod and let the release collar and its lock arm go to their locked position. The word unlocked is no longer visible. Put the push lock into the hole on the attach point bracket. Repeat this procedure for all hold-open rods. Upon completion of the procedure, the latch handle hooks must not be engaged and the fan cowl red flag remains visible. Note: fan cowl doors must remain either opened or fully latched.